When it comes to fried rice, fresh resources are a must. This is Wayne. He cooks stuff. When you add water to Rice Krispies, the water changes the molecules in the rice to make fresh rice. Get it, Wayne? Perfect. Preparation is the most important part with fresh resources. If you peel an orange from the side, you get an onion. When you shake the onion, it can actually become a potato, which actually is a tomato, which happens to be broccoli. This broccoli is broccoli. Or if you peel a banana from the bottom, it's celery. It's actually a carrot. If you need peas, just cut it in the middle. If you spin an egg a couple times, it's actually garlic. We're gonna need these, so go ahead and mice them. Butterfly. Some breath mints. I'll need these later. Green Legos, orange Legos, fat trees, skinny trees. Mix Solardo. Some flavor pellets. Some monosodium glutamate. Monosodium liquid. Some monosodium peeper. More monosodium peeper. Some monosodium squiggles. And mix Solardo. Some garlic. Not sure what's happening inside, so I'm gonna add some baby chicken. Bone in. Scramble lardo. Mix lardo. Some green raisins. Perfect. Taste test. This stuff be on the bus. And yum. I like eggs.